Good morning, students. Today I will discuss new chapter with you, that is your conditional constructs in Java. So your first topic is programming construct. So in this, statements can be executed in three ways: your sequentially, selectively, and your iteratively. The first topic is your sequence. The sequence construct means statements are being executed in sequential manner, that is one statement after another and another statement after next statement. Now your execution, it begins with your first statement, and then the statement in turn is executed and it goes to the second statement, and when the final statement of the function is executed, the function is done. Now next is your selection. The selection construct means the execution of statement depending upon a condition test. So selection statement, it works on your condition. If the condition is true, a course of action is followed, otherwise another course of action is followed. So what is happening in this, you can see this diagram. If your condition is true, the statement is going to this side, and if your condition is false, this course of action has been taken. So you can see the example. If the tickets are available, we will go for the movie, otherwise plan is cancelled. So the condition is true, that is tickets are available, so you will go for the movie. That means this course of action will be followed. And if the condition is false, that is tickets are not available, condition has become false, so the plan will be cancelled and we will take another course of action. We can go for dinner or any other thing. Now next is your looping iteration. The iteration construct means repetition of a set of statements depending upon a condition test. So what is happening in iteration construct? Repetitively your statements are being executed according to the condition. While your condition is true, it is being executed again and again. And when the condition becomes false, the repetition stops. The iteration construct, it is also known as your looping construct. You can see the example. I have initialized here a is equal to 1, and I have taken the condition while condition a less than is equal to 5 and a plus plus system.out.println hello. So what will happen? First, the a of value is 1. So 1 is less than is equal to 5. Condition is true. It will increase the value plus it will print the hello first time. Now it will print the hello 5 times. 1 to 5 the condition will be true, and it will repeat the statement 5 times. So what is happening in this? We are repeating the statement again and again till the condition is true, and as the value of a becomes 6, condition is false, it will come out of the body of the loop. You can see the structure of the iteration looping here. This condition false, true statements will be executed. Thank you, students.